Hi guys, welcome to Coinex CSC Talks. So let's continue on exploring the Palmare project. So we are going to look into tokenomics. So tokenomics forms the basic fundamentals for any project. So I have already mentioned it in all of the most of the videos, and like here they what they have is really an exclusive and well detailed thing, because they have like three tokens. One is PAS, PAL and SPAL. So PAS a game token, so it has an unlimited supply, and when a user trains in a training mode or gets engagement from SocialFi network, they will be getting a PAS token. So you can earn in training sports, and you can utilize it for upgrading the gear NFTs, and you can get the achievement points converted for PAS. So how they destroy the PAS, like burning mechanism is, like they have like burned by gear NFT repair and leveling up gear NFTs. As I already told, for NFTs, gear NFTs upgrade, you have to burn PAS. So that's one thing, and you can swap and you can burn the PAS. So these are the methods PAS burning mechanism works, and they have the PAL and SPAL tokens. So PAL utilities are like earning like only in weekly and monthly challenges, and there will be specific events apart from that. And apart from that, you can upgrade your profile NFTs, and in the marketplace you can buy using the PAL token. So apart from that, you have governance and SocialFi viral boost facility for PAL. So that is really a great utility, as they have already told it's a governance token and it has a limited supply, and they have like 24.2% for IPO, 5% team, 3% advisor, 12% goes to the treasury, 3% to the liquidity, and 52.8% to the community. So in event community, they have split like 5% for airdrop and 47.8% to the ride to earn rewards. So this is the detailed tokenomics of PAL, and it's really a well detailed one, as they have right to earn rewards as higher 47.8, and they have a treasury defined out in early stage itself, and the only 5% goes to the team. And most important thing is they have like different tiers, and starting from IPO, and the price also varies. So they don't have a VC, so they have a vesting mechanisms. So 47.8 right of the total PAL will be distributed to the users through train to earn or check-in earn to earn reward. So to ensure the project sustains long time, so they will be releasing a PAL like every 2 years, and so purchase token will be unlocked and vested based on the tier of participants, like following token release schedule. That is a token release schedule, and airdrop tokens will be unlocked after the IPO ends. So that's the mechanisms of vesting. And what is SPL? So SPL is a smart pearl token. So it's going to be available in 1-to-1 ratio. You can stake PAL. So for those early investors, they will be contributing to the project marketing. They can stake and they get the SPAL. So you can also stake SPAL later, and you can get 5% APR. And so this is yield reward will be at least after 1 month from after the IPO begins. So if you unstake SPAL, you will be losing your governance power. So you have a different governance power based on the PAL staking period. So that will also you will be seeing how the governance and voting mechanism is, and there is a swap fixed period. So after 5 rounds, right, any investors can join and they can swap PAL to BitUSD. For example, if like in round 5 there is $100,000 pool open, you can swap your first on a first come first serve basis. So this is like to exit the early, like the persons who want to go out of liquidity, they can go now. It will reduce the risk and the price dump after the launch. So that's what it has been mentioned here. And initial phase offering, so there is no VC as I already told, and 24.2% is for IPO. There are like 40 phases, so that's really a more number of phases. So the sale will close 3 months after the first round end. So if the deadline is met, and 3% of the tokens will be released on pancake swap at the last phase price, so remaining tokens will be actually burned to prevent the dilution for early investors. And token reschedule, release schedule, so this is what we want to specifically talk. So there is a first, based on your PL tokens, you will be having like if you have vested like 6 to 15 months, there is a different period based on the IPO. So after 5 rounds you can actually swap, that we have already seen. And they have a different tier. So if you have vested for opted for 12 months vesting, it's called Genesis round. There is a diamond high which is for 50 months, and platinum 12 months linear, and gold 9 months, silver 6 month. So there is a, for team also they have a 6-month cliff followed by 36-month vesting, which is a really good thing. For advisors they have a 30 months vesting period, and they have just only have 3% unlock on token launch event. So they have the referral to earn, which we told. So even that is going to be paid in terms of bit USD. It's like 6% commission from each phase, 2% on level 2. So both of them will be rewarded in bit USD. So yeah, phases, prices and token supply. So now the phase 2 is going on. So similarly there is going to be like around 40 phases. So like first phase is going to be 0.0124 price per token, and the initial market cap is already explained and detailed here. So if the pool is not filled, it will be burned, and if the pool is filled, like 3% of the supply will be going into pancake swap with the last phase price. So if you have hold it for or vesting it for more than for 5, like 10, let's take for 10 tires you are holding on, that alone you will be having your return on 225% if you have bought it at the first phase. So yeah, so make sure you are using this. So I guess it's going to be launched in Coinex Smart Chain in the upcoming phases, and it will be continued like this based on different phases. And next thing is governance and voting. So we have a, if you have staked PAL for this much amount of period, you will be having a different weightage. So if you have locked for 3 years, you will be getting a weightage of 64. As you know, advisors and the team actually having for 36 months, which is going to be a 3 years period, and they will be having a weight of 64. If you even opted to have it for 3 years, you will be having the similar weight. So the most important thing is here, guys. So actually they are not only encouraging SportFi and SocialFi, they are also moving towards global movement to end the age of fossil fuels and build a world with a community-led renewable energy for all. So this is a good thing, and it will be attracting big influencers and CEOs. So if you have continued to watch, you would have got this information, that is which I feel it's going to be a grand thing, because it is going to be an huge movement in upcoming days, and the project is already doing this. So this is will attract for 100% most of the people. So that's the thing regarding the tokenomics. So we have explored everything of Palmare in detail, their white paper, their tokenomics, and gist of what is their project. and how in upcoming days your vesting is going to be and how their voting mechanism and governance work. So at present what is the phase that is going on, and in upcoming days it's going to be having the same IPO phases in Coinex Smart Chain also. So for any updates or any project on Coinex Smart Chain, make sure you are subscribed to Coinex CSC Talks. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.